So here we are driving up a hill in the lakes, and you can see it's snowing. It was kind of rain lower down the hill, and now it's turned into ice and now basically snow. As you can see, and Amy's trying to drive and she's not having fun.
Don't stop, don't you dare stop.
People stopping on the side of the road. It's a bit freaky for tourists.
You'd think we'd driven to Iceland.
It does feel like that a bit. Yeah, we've put this hire car to the test on this trip, and so far all good. Although this is the worst we've driven in. Don't stop. You don't do. Poor buggers. Going for a trip.
Oh, that's that pass.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, that's why we're not going there. That looks especially in this condition.
Yeah, no, definitely not.
Okay, we're going downhill now, that's good. Well, okay, that's good at that.
It's kind of good because the snow's going to stop so soonish.
Can you take a still picture after this?
Yeah.